Hi, today we are going to Mexico. Although their country has around 127 million subscribers, only around 1% of my viewers come from their country. It would be a shame if somebody had to test their electrical system.
Thanks to Brilliant for sponsoring this video, where you learn tons of math, science and computing in fun and interactive ways. Just sign up from my link brilliant.org/electroboom and start with a 30-day free trial. First stop, Mexico City. Let's take a tour of our 4-star hotel. Yay!
It's interesting to see how they run the communication lines in Mexico City. I mean, it may give some people wire management anxiety. This is truly, I mean, come on, man. I don't even see all these cables here. Well, some of them have fallen. These stuff are optical fibers. They actually upgraded a power line. I'm sure this outlet is safe.
I mean, there's only one switch here that turns on that light, and this light doesn't work. And I can't find any outlets, but I'm sure that TV is plugged in somewhere. Let's see. Oh, there you go. There is an outlet here. How is this powered? The power lines are running through this into the outlet. There is the power cables. Well, there is only live and neutral on this cable, so I guess you can forget about the ground protection on that outlet. Where is it going to? Move forward. Holy moly, look at this. This looks like a job I would do. They use the power cable, cut it, and connected the other cable to the end of it, ran it to the outlet behind the TV, and that's how it's powered. This outlet, man. Oh my God. Unplug that thing. Well, it's nice. It's held by one screw there. Let's open this abomination and see what's going on inside. Good news, everybody. There is ground connection here. Too bad it's not going to the outlet behind the TV. Somebody only had a 2-wire cable. I mean, if it's the North American standard, I highly doubt it if there is any ground fault protection on these outlets in the rooms. And just put it back as is. I guess it looks better than when we started. Well, at least there is another outlet this lamp is plugged into. Let's find that one. What? They ran the cable from the lamp straight into the wall? What is that thing? Oh my God, look at that. But at least they used some electric tape to cover the exposed wires. And then we have the internet and telephone lines, which is glued at the corner here. They also have another outlet in the washroom. This one better be GFCI protected. Let's see if the voltage is at familiar levels at least. Almost 130 volts. This is still within standard. Let's see if the ground is connected. Neutral to ground is almost 0. Good. So most outlets have ground, which begs the question. This lamp with the sketchy power connection has outlets here. I hope the ground is connected there. Is it 0 volts between neutral and ground? Yep, okay. And to make the matters worse, there is no breaker box in the room. Maybe there is an electrical room somewhere here. There is some stuff here. Oops. This sketchy half falling apart box is or air conditioner? What's piso? I guess this is one of those cases that I have to test the outlet right on the last day and then we run away.
Oh my god, this passage has all the parts and everything. Look at this. All the microwave parts. So many parts of everything is here. You know how many transformers I could get out of these microwave ovens? Oh my, what a heavenly environment.
It is a very nice and crowded and historic city. Let's see if I can see the waveform using my tiny scope here. We shove our probe in the live and neutral. We connect our probe to the live wire. Ow! We connect everything first, then plug into the live and neutral. Maybe this test shouldn't be done in such a wet environment, but hey, let's try it out. Plug it in. There you go. Hey, not bad. The sine wave looks pretty sine wavy. At least we have one thing right here. Does it even have ground fault protection? Take the cover off. There is no ground fault protection on this thing. Let me shine a light here for you. See, somebody spliced a neutral wire into two wires, wrapped the wires around each other, and wrapped some electric tape around them. Oh my god. Is this a case of make do with what you have, or someone got lazy? So either the entire room is protected or nothing is protected. Let's test for ground fault protection.
I feel like it's all my fault. If I had dubbed and subbed my videos in Spanish, Mexico's electrical system would be in a better shape. It seems like extension cords in Mexico are all handmade. My type of people. I'm not supposed to film here, but look at this abomination. Oh my god.
What is extension cord in Spanish? Cable de extensión. Don't film me. Okay. Let's see if we can find extension cords in Mexico.
Here is a hardware store. Let's check it. There you go. They have all types. See? I mean, maybe they find it more fun if they make it themselves. Kind of like me. But beside the questionable wirings and whatever is going on up there and this questionable power lines, everything is so exciting in this city.
Alright, I put 1 kilo between live and earth, don't try this at home, for around 130 milliamps, and if there is anything to trigger, this will trigger it. How much are you willing to bet that there is no protection around here? Let's give it a try. There. Ouch! My resistor is absolutely annihilated. There is no ground fault protection here, but at least there is earth. It should count for something. Does the room even have a breaker? After my resistor was shorted, we still have power here.
Just don't take your electronics into the washroom and don't throw your hairdryer into the water. But we are done with the fantastic Mexico City and we are going to Oaxaca. You can use Brilliant anywhere, anytime. Your idle time doesn't have to be a waste when you can have fun learning. Our hotel here is nice. Hopefully you'll have a better electrical experience here. Not all 4 stars are made the same. There is no outlet in the washroom. There is one by the sink. I have to test it. Doesn't seem protected. But the outlets seem to be in good shape. Although all the outlets in this room are in good shape, I still doubted if there is any ground fault protection here. The only one that might have it is this one by the sink here. I don't see any evidence of protection here. Well, I'll test it. But first, let's try to find the breaker box. I have a feeling it's in this closet here. Let's take a look. No, it doesn't look like it's for the rooms. I guess we are doing it again without access to the fuse panel. If I want to nitpick, I would say, well, this one is nice and straight up, but this one is sideways, upside down, eclectic. Damn it, I forgot my multimeter. Some fuses are missing here. Should I touch these? Hopefully they don't have power. Oh, more. Maybe they're just building it. Not finished yet. Oaxaca City is a beautiful, historical, exciting city, man. You should come. And if you are into eating crickets, you can eat crickets. Those lamps, 12-volt lines are coming down there, or at least I hope they are 12 volts. Let's give it a try. Yeah. Isn't this 120-volt line a little bit too thin to power an entire house? Yeah, I feel like these are a little bit too thin. And what? They use electrical tape again to power the entire house? As an example, those are 200 amp rated wires running to the city from my house. And these are rated for 125 amps going to my neighbor's house. Were those Mexican wires rated for like 20 amps? Come on, Mexico, you don't want to set your power lines on fire. Maybe somebody did some calculations here. Anyway, let's check this outlet. The earth is connected too, so it's interesting to see this kind of modular outlets. You can buy if you want like a switch and an outlet, or you can put 3 outlets or whatever. Nice. The wiring seems pretty new. A metal box inside, and yeah, everything is updated. The only thing that's missing is a ground fault protection. Maybe they don't believe in ground fault protection. This is an updated room, so maybe they have a central ground fault protection. For the sake of not wanting to talk to the hotel people about why the breaker popped, I hope they don't have a ground fault protection. Here's another 1K between live and earth, and let's see. Oh, هیچی نبود، اسپشیال افکته. No ground fault protection. We don't have to explain anything to anybody. I mean, 127 million people survived without ground fault protection. Maybe ground fault protection is overrated. But I also know a ton of people died for this reason. So hopefully Mexico will add this to their code. This is how they traditionally distill. What is that? Oh my god. I forgot to bring my multimeter. Should I touch it? For the love of God. Extension cords, man. Is it cheaper to buy these and jerry-rig them together? So that's what these holes are for, these meter counters. I wonder if it's powered. This time I came prepared. Let's check. Only 21, 22 volts. How about the other side? No. Fortunately, it's not powered. I found another one. Let's check it. $90 volts. Doesn't seem on, but not very low voltage either. Wow, this one is like 115. So that thing is maybe hot. So I guess the lesson is don't shove your hand in the holes it doesn't belong. Done with the Oaxaca city. Now for our last resort, we go to a resort in Cancun. Have you studied on brilliance today? Okay, this room looks better. We have some beautiful view of air conditioners. What do we have here? Outlets that support North American and European plugs, a light switch, USB charger. I bet there is no ground fault protection. More stuff on this side. What in the world is that? It's a light dimmer. Cute. Is that a HDMI? I guess with this you can connect your computer to the TV. What is that? Some sort of smoke detector perhaps, with all the holes blocked? I think this was supposed to be screwed to the ceiling. I guess I'll just push the screws into the ceiling. Fixed. What is that? Hey, look! One outlet with GFCI protection. How about the other side? Hey! I guess this is the one place they overdid it, because you can use one outlet with GFCI protection to support and protect multiple outlets. Second day, and these outlets only look good on the surface. I tried to charge my cell phone, plugging it into the USB, and it doesn't even work. Now I have a dead cell phone. And what's up with the design of these outlets? See, they keep spitting out the chargers and they don't stick in, exposing those metal prongs. What if some kid sticks their finger in them, or somebody accidentally drops something conductive on those prongs? Someone shorts those prongs, accidental. What the hell? That was anticlimactic. It doesn't even charge your phone because it keeps spitting out your charger. Yeah, I have to push it in, and if I let go, it disconnects. Damn it! What design of an outlet is this? I guess if your things are not connected to power, it means they are safe. They may not work, but they're safe. How about this one? Let's see. Nope. These North American only outlets though hold your stuff better and work. And I assume if you half push them out like the other one, the prongs also disconnect. Like so. Oh. At least the crappy outlet that spits your charger out makes sure that it disconnects too. North American system is junk, man. At least let's test their GFCI with my trusty 1 kilo ohm between live and earth. Oh, yes, it popped. There you go. And the other one popped. And of course, you don't need to connect a resistor between live and earth. They have a test button. You press, it pops out and the LED goes out and you know it's working, and you can
reset it again. There you go.
So I guess in this resort we are protected, although the quality of the outlets and plugs are questionable. I mean, resorts are great for sunbathing and swimming and eating and relaxing, but cities and towns, man, those are where people and culture and attractions and local food are. So make sure you visit everything. Especially visit brilliant.org/electroboom to take advantage of a 30-day free trial and learn from intermediate to university level knowledge with a good dose of interactivity that not only keeps you engaged but also makes the knowledge stick in your brain. Tons of courses on many different fields of science, math and computing that include quizzes to test your knowledge and make you exercise. Brilliant customizes content based on your needs and pace so you can upgrade your knowledge and keep it fresh. They often create new courses and learning paths like Introduction to Probability. Probability was always a tougher subject for me to get my head around, now made easy by Brilliant. Or going viral on X? Maybe I take this one before probability. So take advantage of the 30-day free trial from my link below. And when you realize you are better off with continuous learning and that by just spending like 10 to 20 minutes a day, you're advancing to new heights, the first 200 of you can get 20% off Brilliant's annual premium subscription. Do it! And thank you for watching.